What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So guys, I've turned on this little light here, add a little ambiance. Let me know if you guys like it or if you think it's annoying. Just had some food, made some fried eggs with some chicken. I love to cook. So ladies, call me. I'm single as a Pringle. All right, guys, so we're going to go over Cardano. Currently, we're sitting at $1.47. We're up about 1.64% on the day. There's some massive bullish patterns that I wanted to go over with you guys. We're sitting in a market cap of 47.3 billion. 24-hour volume is 2.12 billion. My dyslexia. All right, guys, so we're going to start here on the daily. So we've broken out of this falling wedge. I'm sure many of you already know about this pattern. We're back above the EMAs. We're about to have the bullish cross. Absolutely beautiful signs of strength here. And we're also testing this level of resistance from our double bottom. So if you see us start to break above, now we are trending towards overbought, guys. A correction is imminent, in my opinion, for Bitcoin. And of course, ADA will follow, but ADA is so strong. You'll notice when Bitcoin corrects, ADA doesn't correct as hard. I was expecting ADA to have a bit more correction, but that never happened. It held strong, so it shows the tremendous amount of strength in the project. So if we start to break through $1.47, we could see a little bit of pullback here. As you can see, we are starting to become overbought. This is your breakout target from your double bottom at $1.92. Now I have entered many long trades, including ADA, when Bitcoin started to break 42K. This is a massive bullish signal of continuation on this bull run. So I'll pop those juicy gains up on the screen here. And if you'd like to learn to trade with leverage, make sure to sign up to Bybit through my referral. You receive up to $1,600 in bonuses. It is my favorite platform for leverage trading. And if you're new to trading with leverage, you can check out my full length tutorial. So that breakout is a 30% juicy trade opportunity if you see us start to break above and back to as support. Now remember, guys, we're starting to get overextended, so we could see a bit of a fake out and find support here on the EMAs or another level of support, which I'll show you guys here. So here's ADA on the 4-hour chart. I pulled my Fibonacci from our swing high down to our swing low, and you can see we've come back up to where we started at $1.48. Now we are above a major level of resistance at $1.32. See support here, resistance in this area. This was a major level, in my opinion, where all these wicks came down to, and it shows a beautiful sign of strength. We're above the golden ratio, we're above the 0.786. So even if we do see some correction here, I'll drop in this level of support at about $1.3659. Support in this area, resistance support in this area as well. So if Bitcoin does see that correction, which is imminent in my opinion, we may see ADA come down to $1.36, but ADA is looking so strong. So once we break through $1.48, we head up to the 1.272 extension here, which is at about $1.64, and then I'm going to drop in the 1.618, which is the level of resistance from our ascending triangle that we broke down out of and reached our technical target at $1.87. So that would be a massive level to break through, and then we head up to our high here, which is at about $2.47. So if we quickly look at Bitcoin here, a correction is imminent. We are trending into overbought on the daily. We've broken away from the EMAs here. We've had the bullish cross, but you can see here we had a massive pump. We trended into overbought and we had a healthy correction. So we are going to see that once again. It is imminent in my opinion. We've reached all the way up to 45K. This level of resistance where these wicks came down to was a level of support. This was the level I was talking about on the channel. I said if we break 42K, your next level of resistance is 45. And you can see we've come up and we've come very close to hitting that exact point. So if you took some profits, shout out to you guys. I'll always advise taking profits along the way. When you see patterns, when you see breakouts, it's always good to take some profits even before reaching the technical target, because you can reverse the trend and you will come back down to support eventually. So we have these levels 42K, 39K, but we'll make a separate video for Bitcoin here. So your next price targets once we break above $1.48 is here at $1.64 and $1.87 based off the Fibonacci. Do keep an eye on these massive patterns. We've broken out of our falling wedge already, and now we have this double bottom, and your breakout target is here at $1.92. I do believe a correction is imminent in the market, so do keep that in mind when you're trading, especially if you're trading with leverage. Always wait for confirmation. If you're trending into overbought, I would always recommend waiting for the price to fall back down to support before entering your trade. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. Check out Bybit. Check out the Discord, guys. Such a great place for traders. We have over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. Not just traders, guys. We have tons of investors in there as well. and they're chatting, and we're posting chart patterns that can help you stay ahead of the game on your trades. All right, follow me on social. I'm traveling, I'm in Cape Town, so you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter as well. I'm not super active, but you can follow me there too, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.